Game launch blocked by the Ruby Game Scripting System 102J.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. While we cover the technical fix for Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module, the core execution engine for games built on the Japanese version of RPG Maker XP. It handles the Ruby Game Scripting System, RGSS interpretation, managing localized sprite rendering and audio. Missing this file is the #1 cause of RGSS102J.dll could not be found errors in indie games. Users often need to install the standard RPG Maker XP RTP to restore it. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The presence of the Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module DLL error indicates that your graphics runtime needs attention. I recommend using the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to fix legacy DirectX components, followed by a driver update to support any underlying hardware-accelerated files. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. One approach to reviewing Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Ruby Game Scripting System 102J module working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.